Hello, and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at it again. We have a roofing project which was done by FO, and we are going to see the start to finish of this project. So, as you can see, we are live at the timber market where we buy our materials, for our construction. Like I said, we have a supplier here on the channel. So we have Mr. Kwete, and also we have Kofi, who does the wooden supplies for us. So these are some of the things that I have been sharing on my channel. During the rainy season, that's where you know where you actually bought your land. During the dry season, which is most of the time, that's the time that we go home. November, December, January, February, that's when most of us go on the Christmas holiday. So we see the country to be dry. We don't see, where you have a waterlog or where you have, all kinds of, land. But as you can see, the owner location is good. I mean, where the land is okay, but how to get to your house is the situation here. When it rains, you saw how the road looks like. It's all muddy. It's all muddy. But where the client, is all right. So please, these are some of the things that you have to watch out for when you are buying your land.
Now we decide the first card, the second card they remain for there. They remain for there. So now we want to discharge this one, finish. We finish and then we go. They take this cargo, offload that one to come the site. So that one they remain for there. Today there, we no be easy, we no be easy. Boss, you know be small. You see how we can't remain for here, no. I will see the rope. The first car be this. Wait, the second one to be this. So it be now be this one they pull them. We they pull and go back to the site, But still it can't remain again. So now they cut it under. So after that, then we go. But now that I'm happy small that where we reach now there by all means we go. So we have to offload this one for here. Then if they move from here, then we can reload it again. Then we take it to the site. Also today there, no easy. The road warriors, papa. The road warriors, papa. Road warriors,
Which tribe are you? I will slap you. Sure. I will smash your face for you. Sure.
So now the second car we bring it. So we offload this one too. Oh, pardon, it's also part of the work. So, but for let you know what is going on. Like I for not send you, but I have to let you know what we are passing through. The next to
So fast forward, the carpentry work begins, and IFO is, one of the production group here, that has a very strong team, very strong team. They really work fast, but they do their work very well. It's not that they work fast because they do shoddy jobs, but they take their time to do the work. And since I started putting him on the channel for the roofing, I mean, no client has called me about any delay, nothing. I mean, when I put his number there and they get in touch with him, no complaints so far. Not even a single complaint, from IFO with delay or anything. So if you are, if you have your projects ongoing and you don't have a carpenter and you need someone to do your roofing, I mean, IFO has the connection with the timberman, who is the person that sells the wood. He's also collaborated with a roofing sheet company, And yeah, so I mean, it's a package. You know, if you go with FO, then you have a package because, like I said, it's a production group. You know, the person of the wood, I mean, the person that sells the wood, I think I've shared his number. I'll put it here also so that you know, just in case you just want to buy your wood from him. Maybe you have your own carpenter and you need a trusted person to buy your wood from. You can buy it from this supplier. And about the roofing sheet, you know, we just started doing roofing most of the times from the on this channel. We started not long ago, so I want us to keep using this company for some time, and then I'll be able to put their numbers out there like I always do. I first want to check, double check, and cross check. So it's not that we don't trust them. We trust them. We've used the same company for like 3 or 4 projects now, and we haven't had anything. You know, from we haven't had anything, any bad thing from them. But I just want to wait after the rainy season is over, and we don't hear anything, any leakages, and their services and everything. Then I will put their number there. But if you contact info and you want to ask for, you know, the contact of the roofing sheet we use, the company and everything, info can give it to you. But I don't want to put it on the channel yet. So immediately you see their number on the screen, meaning these are people that you can trust. You know, I would say 99%. And yeah, if anything goes wrong, you can just come to me. That I can handle. But what I cannot handle is, you know, just put people out there whilst not doing my checks. And I always have to be the betweener, you know, the third person trying to solve and connecting. And yeah, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to operate like that. That's why with my system, you deal with them directly, you know. But if something goes wrong, I'll take responsible. You can always come to me and we'll find a way. And so far, it's been so good, you know. That's why I trust my team. And this way, I also have my peace of mind, right? So, I mean, if I'm telling you I have the best team, I have the best suppliers, I have the best workers, I mean, I want to design and build my own houses, you know, and use that as a motivation, which I'm doing on this channel.
So far. So now you left the fisher board out. We start the knack. But now we close for the day. If you got permit tomorrow, we'll start the fisher board. So the building, you know, the design is a step down, one step down. So this is our fisher too. This is our fisher we paint on the ground. We paint all on the ground. So if God permits, the next day we start that one too. Another project. So as we can see, this design is a step down. Yeah, that's how the owner, they give him the design. This is the design that he like or they put up. So the roofing too or the team, our timber work too, we have to count the same. So you see from the top there, they step down. So this side will take fascia board, calm that down, and then the other side, the roof that side separate. Then this side too, the roof this side too separate. So this is where we can reach so far for the roofing. So now we finish everything for now. So we done everything. The ceiling is everything has been completed. So now I left the roofing company people that will come. Them to come and take them. They take them a measurement already. So now they are going to call the roofing sheet, come down, we put it up. Then we know that this one too has been ended for now. So from here we are moving to another site. So any site will move to, will give our update. So this is the group production group. The same time, Chris carpentry and benches. We are all around the whole world. Whatever you call us, we will respond to you. Or whatever you call us, we will come to your site. We do everything for you. Then you also be a house owner. Yeah. So we do a lot to help our clients. We do a lot to help our clients. So this is the outside ceiling nuggets that we have put up. That's outside ceiling that we have put up. So we are almost done. We are done with everything. So we are coming to pack our goods. Then we return back. We return back to a different site. Yeah, we outside we come, we sleep there, we sleep unless we finish everything before we go, because maybe your material we leave it in the site, then we go house before you see somebody will come and pick one or two, then that one so will be cost will be another cost for us. So we didn't do it like that. So these are our bed that we are using to sleep on top. And that's our fire our cool pot, and then the yellow gallon, that is the one that we use to fetch water. We have done a lot. So that one there, only say you contact us, we will respond for you. Thank you. Finish everything. Now everything has finished. So today there we are living. So now your house will finish. The timber work, the ceiling nuggies, everything has been finished.
You've heard it from, the timberman himself, Efo. Efo said everything is finished. Yeah, then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you want to see more of his work, it's in my playlist called the Efo Carpenter. You've seen amazing, projects that we've done for our clients here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.